AD. Hashtag 201. Don't know what that means, but hey, that's something. I keep going off topic as well. But yeah, like I said, if you guys ever struggle, I feel like the best way to really cope with it and help deal with it is find something, like I said, to voice yourself. Whether that's, recording a video and just talking straight to a camera, or personally for me, I write down all my thoughts and such, everything in a journal. That really helps. It really helps me, really get my thoughts down and